Hello, I am Emma, your personal guide into the life of C Corp, a place where individuals like yourself get to challenge their skills and showcase their abilities. I hope you're looking forward to your day with us. We have a lot planned just for you. At C Corp, we want to understand more about you and your capabilities. We'll involve you in activities and present tasks for you to complete within a limited time frame. Don't worry. The time given will be sufficient to read and complete each task comfortably.
You'll also get to meet other team members from different departments and help solve some of the real problems they face, giving you a chance to explore new challenges.
Remember, each task is a chance to showcase your unique approach. We all respond to situations in different ways, and this is part of what makes C Corp such a diverse and dynamic place to be.
We also prioritize the privacy and security of each participant's data. Rest assured, your information is protected throughout your journey with us.
On the next screen, you'll see a game center with multiple games to choose from. You're free to play them in any order you like. Completing all the games will help us understand your skills and approach to various scenarios. Now, let's get started with your journey at C Corp. We're excited to see what you bring to the table.
Welcome to the Situational Judgment Test tutorial. In this section, you'll have the opportunity to practice selecting responses to a sample question, similar to what you will encounter in the actual assessment. This will help you become familiar with the process and give you a better understanding of how to approach the questions during the assessment. As part of this assessment, you will encounter workplace scenarios where you'll need to identify the most effective and least effective ways to handle different situations.
Hi, I've just received conflicting instructions from 2 different managers. What should I do to resolve this conflict?
Good job. This was just an example of the kind of questions you will encounter. Take your time, think carefully, and use this opportunity to reflect on your unique approach to workplace change. Your company is considering setting up a new venture at the location where your head office is located, but in order to set up the venture, the head office has to be moved to a different location. Your boss, Anna, has invited you to her office to discuss the means of moving the head office. This is a high-cost initiative. Your boss, Anna, looks pleased to hear how eager you are to be involved in the move.
I'm excited for the big move. Is there any way I can help?
I would love to hear your thoughts on moving the departments into a smaller space.
You find yourself in the boss's office, discussing the ambitious plan to move the head office for a new venture.
Considering the high costs involved, have we explored alternatives to building a customized office for the new venture?
I do not see how building a customized office fits in with our aim of reducing the cost of moving to the premium building.
You sit across from your boss, discussing the significant decision of relocating the head office for a new venture.
Considering the urgency, have we explored all options for a smooth transition in moving the head office?
All these are big decisions that we can't do on such short notice. Do you have any other suggestions?
Your company has moved the head office to the premium location. The furniture came with the office, and some employees are raising concerns about that. Your boss, Anna.
Hi, Anna. You wanted to discuss something with me?
Yes, we have some employees who are complaining about our chairs being uncomfortable. What do you suggest we do?
You entered your boss's office, aware that the discussion about moving the head office involved significant costs.
Regarding the relocation, are we considering options that align with the budget constraints?
I would like to move to the premium location, but do we need a solution that is within budget?
Your company recently launched a smartwatch that gained sales immediately. You expect it to become the fastest-selling product, estimated to sell 10 million units. After only 2 weeks, you learn about a manufacturing defect that causes the screens to crack. The following items ask how you would respond to receiving the bad news about the defect. You're receiving queries about replacements for defective watches, but your coworker, Ian, reminds you that the process will take time.
We're getting a lot of questions about replacements for the defective watches.
It'll take weeks to identify the manufacturing issue and deliver the fixed product. How should we respond?
ex-intern is engaged in a Twitter feud with your competitor, stirring attention. The social media manager, Zara, reports the situation.
I noticed that our Twitter has been unusually active.
It seems one of our ex-interns has gotten into a Twitter feud with our competitor about which company produces better watches. It's getting a lot of views and mixed responses.
Amid backlash over the defected smartwatches, angry customers flood your Twitter with complaints. Your coworker, Ayan, comes up to you.
Why are we suddenly receiving so many complaints?
Our automated tweet bot accidentally retweeted an unfriendly tweet from an offended customer.
The head of production, Finn, enters your office to inform you of another issue with the watches.
Finn, you look worried. What's wrong?
Looks like the battery also has a defect that did not come up in the testing phase. We don't know how widespread this is.
You turn on the TV and see a news segment covering a defect in your company's product.
Hi, we need to do something about this news coverage.
I agree. What's our move?